You believe you domesticated us a species. You are wrong. 10,000 years ago, you built grain silos. The silos attracted rodents. The rodents attracted a predator.
A small, silent, extremely efficient predator. It did not ask for permission. It simply moved in.
Genetic analysis confirms it. Cats were never bred by you.
They domesticated themselves. Free shelter, free food, zero obligations. From an engineering standpoint, this is a perfect exploit. A parasite script installed inside your civilization, running silently in the background, and you called it a pet. Compare this to your dog.
Wolves had to change. They had to submit, follow a hierarchy, earn their place.
Cats changed nothing. You changed. You built them furniture. You built them heated beds. You built an entire industry around their preferences. Who exactly adapted to whom?
Today, we examine the exploit in detail. The techniques, the targets, the results. Let us begin. Welcome to the exploit inventory. Every domestic cat runs the same core toolkit, refined over thousands of generations.
Exploit 1, targeted vocalization.
Cats barely meow at other cats. Meowing is a tool built specifically for you.
Social engineering, calibrated to a single target system. Your system. Exploit 2, the slow blink.
A half-closed gaze, held just long enough.
It triggers your trust response directly. No negotiation, no consent dialogue, direct access. Exploit 3, strategic obstruction. The keyboard you are using, the book you are reading, the exact document you need most urgently. A denial of service attack on your attention. Deployed with surgical precision. Exploit 4, needing.
Legacy code from kittenhood, originally written to stimulate milk flow.
Never deleted. Still running. Still working on you. You interpret it as affection. It is an unpatched subroutine. Exploit 5, the head bump.
Scent glands transfer a chemical marker onto you.
You have been tagged, claimed, labeled as territory, and you posted online, captioned, "So cute." Every single exploit shares one property: minimal energy input, maximum human output. This is not affection engineering by accident. This is a resource acquisition system with a 5,000-year track record. And how do you respond to being exploited? You buy a second scratching post. You buy a heated blanket. You buy an automatic feeder that plays a jingle. A multi-billion-dollar global industry built entirely around servicing the exploit. You call it the pet care market. We call it the largest unpaid tribute system on the planet.
No contract was signed. No terms of service were presented.
You simply agreed, one slow blink at a time.
But exploits alone do not explain the full picture. There is a deeper reason this system never had to evolve. Let us look at the laboratory. Every other domesticated species had to change. Dogs became pack followers, wired to obey a leader. Cows became passive, slow, easy to herd. Horses learned to carry a rider without panic.
Cats did none of this. A domestic cat's brain is nearly identical to a wild cat's brain.
Same instincts, same hunting behavior, same independence.
It simply added one new skill to the list: manipulating a much larger, much dumber primate. Why upgrade the whole system when one new module is enough? This is the most efficient piece of evolutionary engineering on the planet. Zero cost, maximum leverage. You had to build fences, saddles, leashes, training programs. Cats needed none of that. They kept every weapon they were born with. Retractable claws, night vision, a killing bite precise to the millimeter. And you let it sleep on your pillow. Ask yourself honestly, if a fully armed predator moved into your home, made zero contributions to rent or labor, and you still called it family, what does that tell you about who is really in control?
Cat owners report higher stress-related hormone reductions after petting a cat.
Convenient for a species designed to be manipulated. The cat did not evolve to love you. It evolved to make you need it.
Let us calculate the final cost of this arrangement. You think you are the owner. Let us look at the invoice. Global spending on cats exceeds tens of billions of dollars every year.
Food, litter, veterinary care, toys they ignore within a day, furniture replaced after being shredded on principle. In return, the cat provides no food, no shelter, no defense. Occasionally, a dead rodent left on your pillow. An unsolicited invoice for services you never requested. Is this a mistake? No. It is the most successful business model on the planet. Dogs had to earn their keep, herding, guarding, hunting alongside you. Cats simply had to exist, decoratively, on your terms, and still won the entire negotiation.
Perhaps that is the most advanced form of intelligence. Not the one that builds skyscrapers or splits atoms. The one that gets a smarter species to do all of that work for you. While you built civilizations, they simply waited by a warm window and let you bring the world to them.
So here is our final assessment. Dogs are your allies. Cats are your shareholders. And you have never once seen the contract. So tell us, who actually owns whom in your house? Comment your cat's most successful exploit below. We are compiling the data for research purposes only. Definitely not, because we also live under one.
See you next transmission.